Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Docentes DigitalesTV. You're watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest and most effortless way possible. All you need to do is listen carefully and watch the video as many times as you need. That's it. Just press play, sit back, and enjoy. Today's video is about one of the most fascinating and complex international relationships in the Western Hemisphere, the relationship between the United States and Mexico. On the surface, these two neighbors share a long border, deep economic ties, cultural exchange, and millions of families with connections on both sides. But underneath all of that, there's a long and complicated history that shapes their relationship today. Let's start with geography. The U.S. and Mexico share nearly 2,000 miles of border. This proximity means that everything from trade, migration, and security to food and music travels across that line every day. But the border has also been a source of tension, especially around immigration and drug trafficking. Historically, the relationship has roots in conflict. In the 19th century, the two countries fought a war, the Mexican-American War, which ended with Mexico losing over half its territory to the U.S. This included places like California, Texas, and Arizona. Even today, that moment is remembered very differently in each country, and it has left a lasting impact on how both nations view each other. Fast forward to modern times, the U.S. and Mexico have become strong economic partners. Thanks to trade agreements like NAFTA and now the USMCA, billions of dollars in goods cross the border every single day. Mexico is one of the U.S.'s top trading partners. Cars, food, electronics, you name it, are made in both countries and sold across the continent. However, not everything is smooth. Issues like illegal immigration, border security, and the drug trade create major challenges. Many people from Central and South America travel through Mexico hoping to enter the U.S. for a better life. At the same time, drugs flow north, while guns and money often flow south. Both governments struggle to manage this. Despite the tensions, the two nations are deeply intertwined. Mexican culture is a part of daily life in many parts of the U.S., from food and music to language and traditions. And millions of people in the U.S. have Mexican heritage, contributing to the rich diversity of American society. So yes, the relationship is complicated, but it's also powerful, dynamic, and evolving. It's a relationship built on history, economics, culture, and people. Thank you so much for staying with us until the end of the video. If you enjoyed this topic, don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the video feedback that follows. It's essential to master both English and American culture. Give us a like, share the video with friends, and help us grow so we can keep creating better and better content for you. See you in the next video.